So tomorrow I am going to hold one workshop at 10:30, tomorrow 30th. No? This is not going to be like, syllabus mein kya hai, history hai, geography hai, blah blah. This is not what we are going to do. This workshop that we are going to hold tomorrow, it is here that you are going to participate, you are going to write, meaning we will discuss certain topics, and whatever I tell in that lecture, maybe a 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever topic I talk about, whatever topic other faculty talks about. At the end of the topic, immediately one question will be given to you. You are going to answer the question. Meaning in the class itself, you are finishing to learn, you are finishing to write. And once you write, I will discuss the structure, how exactly you should have gone. This exercise we will be doing, and participate. I am sure you would take good memories with you, and that experience you will cherish. Do really participate, and that will really do good to you.